fall over and go boom.
They said on that thing to gun it to get it up about 4 foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you stand back when it guns right to your head.
All right. Look at that.
Wait a minute, I gotta start my timer on this thing.
You checked all your rudder?
Yeah, I've flown this a couple times.
Pre-flight check, man. Yeah, nothing.
Whoa! I thought it was supposed to hover.
Well, I can't hover it yet.
That's a learning curve. No, get it down, son, where you can photo it. Where the hell is it? Oh, there it is.
I transitioned into.
It's hard to tell
Yeah, which way is up?
which way
Yeah,
is
well,
up.
we got a blue canopy on the top.
Yeah,
I think that whole fin ought to be blue.
yeah.
I got black stripes on the bottom. I put those on the bottom.
Or do the whole bottom fin black. That would work.
Watch this rudder thing.
Look at that.
Oh wow.
My God. So you control it rudder and just like Elevon said.
I'm gonna have to land it in the grass because I can't figure out how to hover it yet.
How to hang it.
Well, I've tried.
There you go.
There you go. Just cut power. Gently.
Yeah, then it falls off.
That seems pretty wild.
Yeah.
This is crazy wild. The wind blows it every which way.
The stripes on the, I think I put them on that bottom thing all the way. Front to back.
Boy, it likes to spin, doesn't it, too? That's cool.
I wish all 4 ailerons moved like in the video.
They don't?
Nope.
Now you gotta get a DX7 or something.
Oh, it takes
Or
that
6i. What do you got, a 6 or 6i, Greg?
5.
Yeah, you gotta get a 7, I guess, then, right? To do that?
The wind's just blowing it
Yeah, you need that
downfield.
7 channel thing.
See, the wind's just blowing that. There's no way I can hover this thing. I need JC to do it. Upside down, ooh.
Man.
I have a hard time figuring out which right side up.
Yeah, I do too. I don't see how you keep track of it. That ain't enough marking distinctive. I think I'd paint that whole bottom fin black.
Watch this rudder. When I go left rudder, watch this. Rudder loop.
Kind of hammerhead.
A rudder loop.
Wow. That's cool. Yeah, I'm surprised JC has it hooked up into something like this. That's right up his alley.
Yeah.
All that hovering and stuff.
That thing's too hard to keep control of.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm surprised I haven't put it to payment yet.
But I mean, the orientation of it, knowing what.
Yeah, which is up and which is bottom.
Whoa, man.
Bro.
You're saying man. I don't have time to say man. It has a wing loading of about the same as my smiley face. So it flies like a regular waffle. What is that?
Look at your sideways loop.
Yeah, which way you want me to go, left or right?
Look at that. That's amazing.
Whoa. I can go any which way.
Four-corner loop.
This
What's
is a
that
hoot out of
battery
the
you got on
backyard.
there? What's the battery you got on there, Greg?
I got a 610 3-cell in there.
610.
And it's pulling like 8 amps. Wow, I'm gotta stop this. I have no idea.
This is a great plane to get your fingers warmed up when you get that P40 up, right?
Yeah, right.
He's gonna be trying to do all of this stuff up there with that P40.
I'm trying to get this thing to fly straight and level. I'm not having very much success at that. I'm definitely gonna land this in the grass.
Try hoover landing in the grass, like you would on pavement. It's
A hoover or a hover?
yeah. There you go.
There was a tail slide.
Yeah, that's where you need to land it.
Hey, you're giving me a workout.
You get on that battery.
7 minutes.
He's been up 6 minutes already. Well, maybe a little less because I started videoing a little bit early. Whoa.
I got my clock on. It's been up 6 minutes, so I think I ought to figure out how to get it over the grass.
Yeah. Hoover! Ah.
That's the safe way to do it. Bring it in on a...
Cut.